Before we get started with our Java training course, we need to install some softwares. So let us now check out what are the softwares required for the Linux operating system. So what do we really need in order to get started? So to begin our Java development, the first thing that we need is the JDK. Now the JDK stands for the Java Development Kit. So it is basically a complete kit for the Java development, and it basically provides the software development environment for developing the Java applications. Now, in order to use this JDK, we need some platform where we can write our Java code. So for that, in this course, we are going to use the IntelliJ IDE. Now, what do we mean by IntelliJ IDE? It is basically the integrated development environment for creating the softwares that uses the JDK. Now this JDK is the same JDK that we discussed here. So the IntelliJ IDE simply uses the JDK in order to create the Java application. So one by one, let us install these two softwares. So first, we are going to install the JDK in our system. So for that, in your Linux Ubuntu, go to the search panel and search for terminal. Select it, and then you will be shown this window. We are going to install the JDK in our system with the help of terminal. So for that, we need to use some command line. So here are all these command lines in front of you. Now all these commands, you will find it just below the video in your helper text. So I will first copy the first command line, and in your terminal, right click and paste it, and then hit enter. Now this is a command line to add all the required repositories in your system. So hit enter, and there enter the password for sudo. Hit on enter again, and then hit enter again. So now everything is okay. And at the end, let us now execute this command, sudo apt get update. So this command will simply update all the required packages. So again, right click and paste. Hit enter. And now, soon after this, suppose you want to check whether the Java has been installed in your PC or not. So for that, let us use java c space minus version. Hit on enter, and there in my system, no Java has been installed till now. That is, the program Java C cannot be found. So this simply means that we need to install Java in my system. Now maybe if you type java c space minus version, then you must get some version name. But in my system, the Java has not been installed. So here I will simply copy my third command line. Let us copy it and paste it within our terminal. And now hit on enter, and then press Y. And hit enter, and then select yes and hit enter, and then it will start to install your Java in your system. And during the installation, make sure you are connected to the internet. It will take a while to install Java in your system depending on the speed of your internet. So please be patient and let the terminal install Java in your system. So everything looks perfect right now. At the top you can see Oracle Java 8 was successfully installed. Now at the end, let us check out if the Java has been installed or not by typing java c space minus version. Hit enter, and there we go. The compiled Java SDK is 1.8 point something, right? And now let us verify as well where the Java files are actually stored. So let us go to File Explorer and then move to My Computer. Now within the My Computer, move to User, within which you will find lib folder, And at the bottom of this folder, you will find a folder named as JVM. So simply look for that. So there we go, this is our JVM folder. Open it. And here we have the Java 8 Oracle folder created, within which you will find all these folders present. And now I will get back to the terminal, and then let's call it sudo space gedit, get it? And then give a /etc/profile. So this will simply open the profile file. Hit enter, and there you will get this file. Now at the bottom of this file, you need to define the path to the Java. So for that, type export space java underscore home equal to, and then get back to the file explorer where our Java 8 Oracle folder is now present. And now click on any of the folder and go to properties. And there you will find this path, user library JVM Java 8 Oracle. So simply copy this path, close it, and then get back to your editor and paste it here, user lib JVM Java 8 Oracle. And now just save the file and simply close it. Right? And now we have successfully installed the JDK in our Ubuntu or Linux. So that's all for this video.